Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Chaos Semafor Indicator for MT5. Okay, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Okay, here we go. I thought I just saw it right now. Okay, drag and drop. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. As for the inputs, feel free to edit the values according to your taste. All right, you can modify the values, and you can also decide if you want alerts to be turned on or off. Okay, so this is how the Chaos Semafor Indicator looks like. It's a very straightforward indicator that gives us precise buy and sell signals. All right, so you will notice that when the red dots, square dots, when the red square dots appear above the candlesticks, it's a sell signal. All right, and when the green square dots appear below the candlesticks, it's a buy signal, right? So that's just what you have to look out for. Look out for the red square dots above the candlesticks before selling. Look out for the green square dots below the candlesticks before buying. But that's not all. I'm going to recommend only selling in a sell trend, all right, and buying in a buy trend. It's safer that way, all right? So before you execute a buy trade, check whether price is trending upwards. When price is trending upwards and you get a buy signal, there is higher chances of success, right? And then when price is trending downwards and you get a sell signal, there's higher chances of success. So always get your confirmations right. Ensure that you don't trade with an amount you cannot afford to lose, and always use good risk to reward ratios. Okay, so for example here that we had a buy signal, should have been a good time to buy, and then you can see the price went all the way up to this point. Here we had a sell signal, right? Would have been a good time to sell. You can see how price came down all the way to this point. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Meanwhile, remember that no indicator is foolproof. Okay, this indicator does not guarantee profit. All right, there could be chances of false signals being generated, so just keep that in mind as well. Okay, so in the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.